Okay, we're back again. There was a there was a spacer on the end of the shaft there, which went over there like that. Look after that. Anyway, as I was in the process of removing the levers from the shaft, and they're all pretty well gummed up. It's rather hard on the fingers, but doing this with gloves on. But possibly a bit of this stuff. Oh, yeah. Oh. Now just whisk these things round until so there's 8 of these, and with varying degrees of persuasion, they will come off. They just do not want to move. Get some padding on my fingers. Twiddle them back and forth. Oh, these are tough. Ooh. I'll come back when I've got the other 3 off there. Anyway, they really don't want to move very much.